Fox and the Tiger. Once, a fox encountered a tiger. The tiger bared his teeth, stretched out his claws, and wanted to eat him up. But the fox said, "Sir, you must not think that you are the only king of beasts. Your courage is no match for mine. Let us go together, and you walk behind me. If men are not afraid of me, then you may eat me up." The tiger agreed, and so the fox led him along a broad highway. The men saw the tiger in the distance, and scared, they all ran away. Then the fox said, "I walked in front, and the men saw me before they could see you." Then the tiger put his tail between his legs and ran away. The tiger saw that the men were afraid of the fox, but he did not realize that the fox had borrowed the terror from him. Weighing the elephant. Long ago, people in China had never seen an elephant. One day, the Chinese emperor received a gift, an elephant. People were amazed to see it, and everyone was curious to know how heavy the elephant was. But no scales were big enough to weigh the elephant. None knew how to weigh it. All of a sudden, the prince came forward to weigh it. The officials thought that the prince was joking, but he gave a brilliant idea. "Father, please provide a big boat in the river. Raise the elephant into the boat. Then draw a line on the boat where it sinks. Next, remove the elephant. After that, put bricks into the boat until the sign we already made in the boat body be drowned into the river. Then take out the bricks from the boat and weigh them." Everyone praised the prince, and the emperor was proud of him. Foxfire. Once upon a time, there was a young and strong peasant. One evening, he came back home late. On the way, he passed the garden of a wealthy gentleman. He saw something bright floating in the air that looked like a ball of crystal. Astonished, he climbed onto the wall of the garden. There was no human being to be seen. All he could see was something like a dog looking up at the moon. Whenever it exhaled, a ball of fire came out of its mouth and rose up to the moon. Whenever it inhaled, the fiery ball came down and it caught it in its mouth. It went on. The peasant now realized that it was not a dog but a fox who was producing the elixir of life. The peasant hid in the grass and waited for the ball of fire to come down. He then stepped out, caught the ball and swallowed it. The ball of fire. From then on, the young peasant was able to make himself invisible, could see ghosts and devils, and have contact with the world of the spirits. When someone felt sick and lay unconscious, he could call back his soul. If a person sinned, he would plead for him. This way, he earned a lot of money. When he was 50, he no longer practiced his art. One summer evening, he was sitting in his courtyard enjoying the fresh, cool air. After a while, he fell asleep. Suddenly, he fell ill and woke up. He felt as if someone patted on his back. Before he could understand anything, the ball of fire leaped out of his throat. The fox picked it up and said, "For 30 years you kept my treasure. From a poor peasant, you have become a rich man. Now you have all you need. I will have my ball back."
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.